Binary information is represented in digital computers by physical quantities known as signals. There are some basic electronic circuits elements in all the circuits of computers which acts logically with a set of input signals and produce standard or defined output signals. These basic circuit elements are known as logic gates. These may also be described as the basic building blocks of the computer. In digital computers, we consider two logic states. Electrical signals such as voltage exit through the computers in either one or two states which represent of binary variables that can be equal to 1 or 0. Suppose in a where if a voltage is present, then it accepts as high or 1 and low or 0 if it is absent. In case of magnetic elements, it will be considered as high or 1 if it is magnetized and will be considered low or 0 if it is not magnetized. In case of light system, it is accepted as 1 it is glow and 0 otherwise. So in digital computers, there are only two defined states present which is also called the binary states. There are three basic gates known as OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate, which combines of these gates. It is also possible to develop some other gates. A gate is simply an electronic circuit which operates on one or more signals to produce an output signal. Gates are digital circuits because the input and output signals are either low voltage denote 0 or high voltage denote 1. Gates are often called logic circuit because they can be analyzed with Boolean algebra. The AND gate can have two or more than two input signals and produce an output signal. When all the inputs are 1 or high, then the output is 1, otherwise output is 0. If any of the input is 0, the output is 0. To obtain output as 1, all input must be 1. Now consider the AND gate, the new water line scheme. Here we can get water only if both the cocks A and B are open. In details, this can be stated as: if both the cocks A and B are closed, we will not get any water. So we can say that if A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, Y is equal to 0. If A is closed and B is open, we cannot get water from the pipe. So this may be stated as: if A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, the output Y is 0. Alternatively, if A is open and B is closed, we will remain in the same position and will not get water. So logically, it can be stated as: if A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, the output Y is 0. If both the cocks A and B are open, then we can get water. So this may be stated as: if A equals to 1 and B equals to 1, the output Y will be 1. This can be summarized in the following figure. Consider this statement in a truth table. If A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, the Y output will 0. If A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, the output Y equals to 0. If A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, then the output will be 0. A equals to 1 and B equals to 1, the Y output equals to 1. This is known as the logic of AND gate. Thus, an AND gate is a logical operation whose output will only be high. All the inputs will be high or 1. The same logic can again be discussed with the following electrical circuit. Here, the lamp Y can glow only when both the switches A and B will be turned on to the on state. This logic is known as the logic of AND gate.